Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with Cypress and Storm. They've currently just chased off a wolf from their den, and actually the wolf is still right there, so I think they're going to chase this wolf a bit further away from the den, just because Cypress isn't really comfortable having a stranger wolf so close to it. It's like the den is just down that hill or something. And once they've chased this wolf off more, they're going to be Cypress is going to be going to reinforce some territory near here. Which would actually be, like, here is some territory that needs to be reinforced. Then, like, pups need food to be played with, stuff like that. And this wolf was very dumb, coming by itself to attack a den of wolf pups. Well, I guess this dumb wolf didn't know that those wolf pups had two protective parents. Oh, and it was already weak when it came here? Yeah, it was very dumb wolf. Though its dark colored fur does match the weather, and it does camouflage well. I will admit that. Yeah, Cypress is definitely mad. She's always been like kind of brave. She's always been like brave and kind of smart and stuff like that since she was a pup. Also almost got killed a couple times because of her bravery. She tried to wander off and explore and stuff like that. And look at Storm, just mainly standing by. Probably because he knows Cypress will get the job done. Oh, and he helps. He's a good mate for Cypress. There. Yeah, Cypress is extremely overprotective of her pups. And this is actually close to the area where they need to be to reinforce their territory. And Cypress wants to get this done as quick as possible because she doesn't like how dark it is and it's raining. It's making her nervous about the pups, like the den will get flooded or something. I can actually see the creek from here. Like, right over here. That's actually pretty. What am I saying? The creek is always pretty. Cypress could actually use a quick stamina boost. Now that I think about it, I think it would be a pretty cool effect if the creek or the river were to like overflow during a storm. WolfQuest should like add that or something. So in my personal opinion, I think that'd be really cool. I don't like the ideas of a tornado or something. Though I don't even know if Yellowstone gets tornadoes. I wouldn't know. But I honestly think it'd be cool if like rivers and the creek overflowed a bit. Like the water level rose during a big storm. But that isn't my decision, so yeah. You know, I'm just gonna speed this up because I don't really have anything to say at this right now. So I will talk to you guys probably when Cypress gets back to the den because yeah. Talk to you guys soon. So we have just arrived back at the den from reinforcing our territory, and it actually just stopped raining finally, and storm is catching up. So I think first things first, we're gonna see if we can give some food to Fern because she's a tiny runt and needs food. And then we're going to sleep because Cypress is kind of tired and it's dark out and stuff. And then in the morning, Cypress and Storm are going to see if they can head back to those elk kills and get some more food for the pups and themselves. And then Cypress might think about moving dens soon because of the location of this. It's just you can't see when predators are coming. Oh, Cypress is dreaming. But yeah, she might think of moving dens soon. Because it's like, seriously. If we stay in this den too much longer, something's gonna happen to the pups or something. But at the moment, I don't think Cypress is gonna move dens. At least for a little while. Just soon, I guess. Kinda soon, anyway. Great, it's morning now. Oh. More territory that needs strengthening, but first, the pups need to be played with, and they need food. This is just adorable. Now that I think about it, I think Birch's coat is actually darker than the rest of his siblings' coats. I think. It's hard to tell when they're so little. Okay, the affinity is good. Ooh. Now let's just see. Okay, so the pups need food. And Fern was the first one in the den. Of course she is. Is it just me, or does Thunder seem to always be the last one in the den? He's always seemed really bold, in my opinion, anyway. Playing with this new object first, wandering off, last in the den. He's fun. Okay, now Cypress and Storm can real quick go and get the pups some food. And then when they get back, they'll feed and play with the pups. And yeah. So I'm going to speed it up until they're back at the den, unless like something interesting happens. But if nothing interesting does happen, I will talk to you guys when Cypress is back at the den. Okay, so it seems both of the carcasses are gone. And Storm stayed at the den. Which means I'm gonna see if we can call him over. And Cypress needs to hunt on her own. Okay, I don't really know if that works, but we'll have to wait and see. If not, I'm sure Cypress will be okay on her own. She's a very strong wolf. And determined. Well, more determined. And strong personality, but still considered strong. there's coyotes nearby, and she's tracking the Bitterroot Alcurd. Seems like she's on the right trail, and she ran into a tree. You know what? I just know that she seems to do that kind of frequently, running into trees and slipping down hills. Didn't realize how clumsy she was before. And I'm going to speed this up because I have nothing better to do. Okay, so I know that Cypress is kind of in the process of hunting right now, but I'm just gonna end it off here anyway. Please don't be mad at me, but please consider leaving a like, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Goodbye!